run the lead hook roundhouse combination. I like to do it when I'm throwing a lot of crosses, hooks. But if I'm throwing this and they're starting to advance or trying to counter me, this is when I employ this technique. And I'm going to miss the hook on purpose. Missing. Now, I'm torquing my hips over. Just going to throw it to the body, okay? So I'm here, missing. Makes sense? Hook, missing. All right? Really missing that hook to emphasize the next round kick, see? But I'm just setting them up. This is a very effective technique because as I'm missing that hook, my opponent feels very comfortable attacking. And as I miss, that's when I bring the round kick across. So this is really an excellent way to set up your round kick. One of the best ways actually, because you're getting your opponent to come in and they're trying to counter you.